Hi, and welcome back. Throughout this course, you've seen how BigQuery can be used to view and analyze data from tons of sources. Now we're going to explore the different account tiers that BigQuery offers, so you know how to choose the right one for your needs and how you can access them. BigQuery is offered to you at no charge. There are paid options available, but we won't need them for the activities in this course. Instead, we're going to talk about two account types, sandbox and free trial. A sandbox account is available at no charge, and anyone with a Google account can log in and use it. There are a couple of limitations to this account type. For example, you get a maximum of 12 projects at a time. This means that if you want to make a 13th project, you'll have to delete one of your original 12. It also doesn't allow you to insert new records to a database or update the field values of existing records. These data manipulation language, or DML, operations aren't supported in the sandbox. However, you won't need to do this in course activities. You can read more about the limitations of a sandbox account in the BigQuery documentation. This is the account type we'll use for most of our activities. It's simple to set up, so later in this video, we'll walk through the steps required to create an account. Before that, though, we should talk about the other way to use BigQuery without charges, the Google Cloud free trial. The free trial gives you access to more of what BigQuery has to offer with fewer overall limitations. The free trial offers $300 in credit for use in Google Cloud during the first 90 days. You won't get anywhere near that spending limit if you just use the BigQuery console to practice SQL queries. After you spend the $300 credit, or after 90 days, your free trial will expire, and you will need to personally select to upgrade to a paid account to keep working in Google Cloud. Your method of payment will not be automatically charged after your free trial ends. The free trial does require that you set up a payment option with Google Cloud, but unless you choose to opt in for an account upgrade, it won't charge you. However, it does require you to enter a payment type, so we understand if you don't feel comfortable with this option. This is one reason the BigQuery Sandbox account exists, so you don't have to enter any payment information. With either type of account, you can upgrade to a paid account at any time and retain all of your existing projects. If you set up a free trial account but choose not to upgrade to a paid account when your trial period ends, you can set up a free Sandbox account at that time. However, projects from your trial won't transfer to your sandbox. It would be like starting from scratch, just something to keep in mind. Now we're going to set up your sandbox account, which you can change into a free trial or upgrade to a paid account if you choose. First, we'll go to the BigQuery Sandbox documentation page. Then, go to the upper right corner and log in to whichever Google account you want to use for the BigQuery Sandbox account. Then, we'll select the Go to BigQuery button on the documentation page. This gives us a drop-down to select a country and to read the Terms of Service agreement. This will bring us to the SQL workspace, which we'll be using in upcoming activities. Choose Create Project and name the project and give it an ID. Choose Create and then Done. There we have it. In the next video, we'll explore what each part of the SQL workspace does and how we'll use it in future activities. See you there.